The 4K 3-channel dashcam offers exceptional video quality with its ultra-high-definition front camera and two full high-definition cameras, ensuring clear capture of road signs and license plates. This dashcam provides comprehensive coverage by monitoring the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle, delivering high-definition video from every angle, day or night. The included 64 gigabyte SD card allows for immediate use, and the camera supports expandable storage, making it easy to install and operate. Equipped with a G sensor and loop recording, this dashcam ensures important footage is protected by automatically locking it in the event of a collision. The 24-hour parking monitor function activates upon detecting collisions, offering continuous protection and evidence gathering even when the car is parked. With advanced night vision capabilities, this dashcam captures clear and precise images even in low light conditions, perfect for rideshare drivers.